Good morning, Chronicle crew. It's Tree, your host of the now Project Kitsune camper van conversion, which is a minimalist stealth conversion. We purchased a used Ford Transit 350 with all-wheel drive, putting in this Amazon sound deadening panel, which showed up on time, even though I got a notice they weren't going to come in at all. And then I'm going to attempt to stick up the insulation, the Thinsulate for the sides before the panels come in. All right, so this is the Thinsulate ASVAB I think insulation kit I got from Campervan HQ. So we have passenger sidewall, including a lot of those cutouts where I put the sound deadening, driver sidewall, rear door, and the front of the van. This must be the roof. I'm guessing that's the sliding door. Oh, it looks like I'll be taking off the rear covers on the door, lower part of the door, maybe to get the insulation in, and also in the sliding door. Okay, so after doing some quick research on YouTube, you just have to kind of pull on the retainer clips. There's one here and one here to get it out. Apparently there's an airbag behind here, so I need to be careful of that. These tough little guys here are barbed at the end, so pulling them out super fun. Okay, so it took a little bit of doing, but anyway, this is what it looks like behind there. Probably should stuff some insulation down in here at some point. I think those are the airbags right there. So first things first, spray this 3M 90 max strength on both the ceiling and the insulation panel, and then wait, and then stick. Hopefully that does what it's supposed to do. I've sprayed it fairly liberally. Hopefully not too much, hopefully not too little. It's somewhere in that Goldilocks zone. Now that's sprayed, you wait to let it dry until it's tacky, then you stick it up.
It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy. Happy. Happy, 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 happy. It is my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy.
Hopefully I did it right and that stays where it's supposed to. Or maybe I should wait until I get the panels up. I guess we'll find out. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm just going to stick up a couple and see what happens. Well, this is the passenger side rear panel. I guess there's a reason that in the ASVAB test I took years ago, I didn't do well with three-dimensional spatial reasoning, because I thought I matched it up, but I didn't put it down right and I sprayed the wrong side. So hopefully the left and right side, the driver and passenger side, are interchangeable. All right, so the good news is they do appear to be interchangeable. Whew! Make sure I get this right this time. All right, so that's 2 cans of spray and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panels. I may be doing a little overspray because I'm through 2 of the cans, and I think it was recommended to have 3 or 4 cans, which is what I bought in total. But fortunately, I can go pick more of it up, and I'm learning as I go. All right, I think I did put those panels on backwards. It looks like that notch that I put in the opposite corner is supposed to be over here, so I wonder if I can peel those off and just place them back where they should be. I don't even know if it matters that much. These guys up here, they have individual panels that go in the stuffing down below too. These panels on the top front just cover those voids, surprisingly. So I might just try to peel those back and stuff those with wool just to get a little extra insulation there. I'll see how these other ones go. And I'll probably get wool stuff in the ribs too. The blobs went back in with a little bit of fiddling. I'm not sure, it seems pretty secure right now, but these lower ones are behind or in front of the insulation, so I'm gonna have to poke a hole through there to get those stuck in. So I got the panels up in the rear doors. I had to remove the old clips for that honeycomb plastic. And here again, I think I reversed them. I guess I'm learning that the label is supposed to go in and not out, because this notch, it should be over here. Again, not sure how much it matters in terms of insulation. There are panels for the lower, there's insulation for the lower panels, but I have to take this out where the speaker is and fit it in there, which shouldn't be a problem with those body tools that I have. They've been very helpful. Looking pretty good coming along. Just need those plywood panels now for the 4 sides of the inside, the ceiling, the walls, and the floor. And I've got some more of this insulation to go in, and I gotta figure out how to get that in, stuff those guys with the panels and down below, and then get some wool for behind these top panels and in the ribs. Whew, not bad for a day's work.
Exploring the wonders beneath the stars, from mountains to valleys, through forests we weave. In every destination, there's more to believe.